There was a common troll with the keyboard in his hand, posting up the drama like he owned the land. Every day another post, another online fight. Then somebody said enough, it's time to make it right. He got a warning loud and clear: delete those posts or face the consequences here. He thought about it for a little while. Then, poof, there goes the drama. Poof, there goes the show. All those angry posts just vanished in a row. Fake accounts faded one by one they go. When the drama stops feeding them, they slowly lose their glow. No more endless posting, no more daily fight. The keyboard finally got a quiet night. Poof, there goes the troll disappearing from the scene, and the internet gets a whole lot cleaner in between. One account went quiet, then another disappeared. The army of the username suddenly wasn't here. All those mystery profiles making such a fuss started fading into nothing like an old abandoned bus. No more rumors flying, no more endless noise, no more fake profiles pretending to be different boys. The drama needs attention if it's gonna stay alive. Take away the audience and watch the whole thing die. Poof, there goes the drama. Poof, there goes the show. All those angry posts just vanished in a row. Fake accounts fading one by one they go. When the drama stops feeding them, they slowly lose their glow. No more endless posting, no more daily fights. The keyboard finally got a quiet night. Poof, there goes the troll disappearing from the scene, and the internet gets a whole lot cleaner in between. Delete the post, close the screen. Suddenly the drama isn't anywhere to be seen. One account, then another. The whole parade just disappeared. You can't build a circus if nobody buys a ticket. You can't keep a fire burning if nobody's gonna stoke it. The loudest talk gets quiet when the attention disappears, and all those fake accounts can slowly disappear. Poof, there goes the drama. Poof, there goes the show. The posts are disappearing and the fake accounts are low. What once was endless noise is finally fading away, and maybe everybody